Hello, guys. The plan was a big success. Huh? What plan? Didn't I told you before that I have a plan to escape from the room? And I did it. Anyways, currently I'm in hiding, a runaway girl. But I still need to get informations from somewhere without them knowing. I'm sure that Noah-senpai and Yuka-senpai will whisper sweets words or whatever to sway Sensei. And that's why I grabbed this pager thing before I escaped. It's Noah-senpai's spares. Allegedly, our sensei is a weirdo that likes retro stuff, so that's why we still have the option to use this. I wonder if Millennium still maintain transmitters for these just for him. That's kinda crazy. These models can receive also voicemails and simple Momo chat messages. Just perfect to snoop around and get inside info. Let's test it. First, we dial the page number. Then, input the alphanumeric message 288 and send. Now I'll just wait until the message is shown in the pager. By the way, did you know that Noah-senpai once tried to...